Now question is integration of 27 into e power 9x plus e power 12x whole power 1 by 3 dx is equals to option A is 1 by 4 into 27 plus e power 3x whole power 1 by 3 plus c 1 by 4 into 27 plus e power 3x whole power 2 by 3 plus c 1 by 3 into 27 plus e power 3x whole power 4 by 3 plus c. D option 1 by 4 into 27 plus e power 3x whole power 4 by 3 plus c. In this type of problems we have to solve. What is the question first now? 27 e power 9x plus e power 12x whole power 1 by 3 into dx. Now in this type of problems e power here what? E power I am taking e power 9x is common, whole power 1 by 3 na? Okay, e power 9x is common, remaining 27 plus e power 9 terms is okay common, remaining how much value here? 3x whole power 1 by 3 into dx. Now applying this type of problems, e power 9x whole power 1 by 3 means e power 3x, remaining 27 plus e power 3x whole power 1 by 3 into dx. Now 27 plus e power 3x whole power 1 by 3 into e power 3x into dx. Now I am taking this value, is equals to t. Now 27 plus e power 3x is equals to t. Now differentiation with respect to x. This is a constant 0 plus d by dx of e power x means e power x internal derivative means 3 is equals to dt by dx. Now e power 3x into dx, okay, dt. Now here dx, e power 3x into dx only. Now e power 3x into dx is equals to dt by 3. This 3 is sent to this side. This is a 3. Now substitute the value. Now I am taking this value is equals to t na? Okay, this power 1 by 3. This value is equals to what? dt by 3. Now 1 by 3 is a constant. Here t power 1 by 3 into dt na? Now integration 1 by 3 into, okay, 1 by 3 into x, integration of x power n means t power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. Now what is the formula? Integration x power n into dx is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula. Now 1 by 3 here t power how much? 3 plus and the how much? 4 plus 1 means 4 by 3. Here also same 4 by 3. Here plus c na? This 3 is sent to numerator, 3 by this 3 and this 3 cancel, remaining 1 by 4 into t power 4 by 3 plus c. Now what is the value of t? T is equals to what? 27 e power how much? 27 e power 3x whole power what? 4 by 3 plus c. This is the final answer. Mean option is D is the correct. Okay, thank you.